Your Slimo Tech, founder of the Slimo Tech trading strategy. So here we are. This is Euro NZE. Okay, so let's start from the monthly chart. Right here we are. We look at the trend. Where is it? Uh, okay, so this is the monthly chart. We just want to see where the trend is going. This is a breakout structure. We have breakout structure here. Come on, just drop it for me, man. Here, price went up, mitigated this guy. So breakout structure, change of character, whatever you want to call it. And then we have this guy here. Price mitigated, right? And came down, created a lower low, right? And we have a breakout structure here, right? And price went up to mitigate whatever I should mitigate, but I came back here to mitigate this guy, right? And then, oh no, I think, yeah. Okay, this first one came, couldn't make it, and then we have another break of structure that went up to hit it, yeah. So here we have a sell to buy candle. We had a sell to buy candle here, right here, and price came down inside it and then took off from there. And there was another rejection again right at this place. Why there was a rejection, I don't know. But then this guy came here, right? Good, came here and bounced back, right? But you can see that there is a sell to buy candle here, and there's a gap that wasn't filled right here. So let's see, let's zoom in and see again. Let's zoom in and see again. So now here we have this guy. So I'm just gonna draw another one, servicing the previous one. Okay, so I see price coming back here again. Yeah, so we have that guy, and then we have fair value gap. Fair value gap. Okay, nice. So we have that first, and then we have liquidity. Zoom out a bit. Zoom out a bit. Yeah. So right here we don't have. Is it max? Wasn't this guy? Okay. There. So this one only up higher high. Ah, come on now. So that's liquidity, trendline liquidity, block taken. So when price takes out trendline liquidity, the next point is coming to its trendline liquidity, yes. And then we also have liquidity here. I have liquidity here where price came, touched, ran up, came down, pin bar, and then pushed up, right? But I feel price is gonna come down here before the buy, or here's another scenario. Let's go and look for another scenario where price can buy to and come back down. So I've zoomed out. There's no fair value gap here. There's nothing on the buy side. We have stocks on the sell side. So let's see where price will probably buy to and then start selling. This is a point of interest right here. Point of interest right here, but it seems like price already covered it. So let's just put it This is like a fair value gap here. But seems like price went there. So let's go down the time frames and see. Okay. Looking at this place, there is nothing for us to use around here. Whatever was here, price came up and filled up the gap. So we'll keep going down to see what happened inside this week. So let's go lower to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, we have this. There's a small gap here that wasn't filled. So we can draw this as our new zone because this was because we have this, then we have a breakout structure here. So we have structure break right here. First we have structure break right here, and then we have structure break right here. But then it didn't reverse to this point. This one didn't reverse, so it's not taking its time, going slowly, but still it's gonna still come up here. So now let's get this point where price is coming to. Come on now. So this is our sell to buy to sell candle. Right. Good. Change the color to sell. Nice. Okay, so keep it, and then we have fair value gap right there. Fair value gap right here. It's very tiny, but it is what it is. Okay, so using the white. Yep, so that's our fair value gap. Now let's now look for liquidity. Equal highs and equal lows. It's liquidity. So this is liquidity right here. This is liquidity right here. And this is liquidity right here. So liquidity right before this guy. So you know price is surely going to come and mitigate this guy before setting. And we have a point where price could actually buy from right here, but if we're going for the monthly, this is okay, let's say this is our first target for take profit when it sells, right? I sell to buy. Not much liquidity. So if there's liquidity below this point, you know that price is going to pass it. So now we can see that there's liquidity here. There's liquidity here, so price is surely going to pass through this one. So this one is a no. Today this one is a no because we have liquidity right below it. So probably price will just come for. Oh, I don't need to go back there. Price will definitely come for this one. Take out this liquidity and then come for this other block before the buy. So price is not stopping here actually. Alright, so now that we have this, let's now look for our entry. So we go to the one 4 hours time frame. Can this thing just give me what I need? So this is the 4 hours time frame. We have a better order block here. Alright, so I can use this one and so let me just look at it first. Let me see what price it is, and if my time goes off again, It's from, okay, so going up. Okay, it's from 1.7094 to 1.71368, I think. So that was like 40 pips difference. So since the difference is much, we are looking to check. We have fair value gap right here. So now we're going to go down, go lower, check for lower time frames. So here you can see there's trend line liquidity right here. So price probably will break it and run up for my entry. Run up for my entry. So let's see. Zoom in. Okay, we have this one, which is nice. Reducing the stop loss we get, right? Reducing the stop loss, that's the aim of going into a lower time frame for the entry. So we can go to 30 minutes now. Probably would just like to just stay with the 5 minutes though. We have, I think, 4 minutes left, so I need to just try to wrap it up. Come on now. If I don't get something nice here, I'm just going straight to the 5 minutes. Go straight to the 5 minutes, man. Okay. We don't have anything nice, so we're going to 5 minutes straight up. So we'll just zoom out and kill the place quickly. If our time is up, I can't even see the time, that's the thing, bro. I know. Come on. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there, yeah. So zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and here we go. We have a good entry right here. So this is our, come on, we gotta use this guy. Gotta use this guy here. So that's like the entry. So we can use that as our entry and then use the same stop loss, or we can use this as a stop loss, tight stop loss, right? Or we can use this one here. Come on now. We can use this high as a stop loss. So change the color to white. Right, so let's go to H4, zoom in. Yeah, so this is our trend line liquidity, and then this is the big area. I'm just gonna do this here right away. Come on now. I'm gonna do this here right away to show the areas. Yeah, this is the sell zone. This is the sell zone, right? Yeah. And then we have our entry